What's good, everybody? This is Rob back with another video. I got some headphones here from a company called Senso. I purchased off of Amazon. I decided to check these out and see how they do. I usually rock out the more expensive Beats, as you see right here. These retail, I think, somewhere around 150 or below, somewhere around the range. I don't have it. I don't remember off the top of my head. These are more than 6 months old. What I like about these Beats, though, they have 12-hour battery time, which is pretty cool. I like the over-the-ear fit right here, and it pairs very easily with my iPhone and my Android. So I decided to try something of a similar style, but a much cheaper price. These Sensos retail for $32.97, but yet they have very similar stats to the Beats. Now, on the back end, you can stop and read this, but I'll go over it real quick. It does have 8 hours playback, has pure HD sound. It's IPX7 waterproofing, meaning you can sweat, work out in these, and it won't become damaged. It's wireless up to 30 feet. The Beats is wireless up to 25 feet. Does have an integrated map, has comfort tips, controlled media playback, and as you can see, it has a lot of the same features of the Beats. Plus, it does offer you in this box, I'm about to open it up and unbox it for you, actually more extras than I got with the Beats headphones. So, give me a second, let's open this up. Alright, I had to get the plastic off of it, but let me open this up and see what we got on the inside of this. Man, they offer you a lot for 32 bucks. You get a charging cable, 3 feet dual portable charging cable, compatible with mini USB and Apple Lightning ports. And a nice carrying case. And inside, got extra earbuds to fit your ear. They give you quite a few of them. They got the soft ones, very spongy ones, and they got some with the rubber tips. Real nice case, man. It's got a nice material on the inside, high quality. I mean, this is 32 bucks, man, and you getting all of this. Dual port car charger. See what the headphones look like. Bam. These are nice, man. They don't feel as high quality as the Beats, but at the same time, the look of them is kind of sweet. I like the look. You got a longer cable to work with, which is pretty cool. Give you a close up. Now these buttons right here on the right earpiece, this is a multifunctional button right here. I'm quite sure it can be used to hanging up calls, answering your phone calls if you get a call coming in. The microphone is on the inside of the earpiece. Also, this is opening on the bottom is the port opening for charging. On the top, you got your volume down, and it's also can be used for the previous track that you might have been listening to. The volume up is for the next track, and the volume down is for the previous track that you might have been listening to when it comes to your music. It does have a LED right in that little piece right there. And the ear hook is a silicone ear hook. When you pair the headphones, make sure it's off. Press and hold the multifunctional button right here for at least 5 seconds, and the LED indicator will flash red and blue. I'm just going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to report back to you guys on the quality of this. I hate to just try to plug it in, pair it to something, and then base it off of 5 minutes of listening. But I'm going to do this unboxing. Give me about a week to test these out. I'm going to come back and give you a review of these Senso headphones for $32. But just based on the package that you're getting, like I said, man, you get a lot. Way more than what I got for the Beats. Anyhow, that's my unboxing of the Senso. Give me a chance to go over this, and I'll give you a review of this later. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.